It's day 2 of recreating celebrity looks for Diwali, and today is going to be of the golden girl herself, Bhumi Pednekar. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. I'm going to be recreating several celebrities looks for Diwali the entire week and next week until Diwali. So if you want to know how to get this beautiful look of Bhumi Pednekar, sit back, relax and enjoy. The focus today is going to be on that glowy, dewy skin. So I'm going to start with an illuminating primer. This is the Say Glow Super Gel Lightweight Luminizer, and it's a makeup primer as well. This is a great product if you're looking for a lightweight, dewy base that adds a natural glow to your skin. It enhances your complexion without being heavy or greasy. When you apply this as a base, it doesn't look patchy or ashy. It just gives that beautiful glow. And when you apply foundation over this, it's going to illuminate from within. And because we are going for that glowy base, I'm going to be using the Huda Multi Dew Skin Tint in the shade Medium Tan 6. As you can see, this tint is super lightweight. It has a dewy finish, which is precisely what we want for this look, that provides a natural glow. And at the same time, although it's so lightweight, it evens out the skin tone beautifully. It hydrates the skin because it has ingredients like squalene, making it perfect for those who prefer a radiant, no makeup look especially. And now for concealer, you already know I'm going to be using Milani concealer. I'm using the shade 150 to cover up in areas where I have uneven skin tone, mostly under my eyes and around my mouth. And while this is getting a little bit dry and tacky, I'm going to contour my face using the Physicians Formula Contour Stick. They have an upgraded version of this now, and I'm going to link all the products in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. This is super creamy, and because it's in stick form, it's so easy to apply and contour the face. This is so smooth, it blends like butter, making it easy to achieve any natural look without looking harsh, and it gives that beautiful sun-kissed glow and a sculpted definition. Physicians Formula, if you didn't know, is drugstore makeup and is mostly known for its skin-loving formula, making it a great choice for people with especially sensitive skin, or if you're looking for clean beauty products. And Physicians Formula is also cruelty-free. Blending of the concealer looks fantastic. When you let the concealer sit and dry and get a little bit tacky, blending becomes easier and the coverage is so much more better because now your brush or sponge, whatever you're using, is not going to absorb much of the creamy product because it's dried down a little bit. Her dimensions as well as blush were very light, so I'm going to be using a cream blush today. This is from the Cheek Clapper palette, and this palette is called Fat Ass from One Size, and I'm going to be using the shade Twerkalicious. I'm going to very lightly set my face in areas where I feel like it might crease or I might sweat. So I'm going to be using the One Size Translucent Loose Powder. I'm mostly going to be using this under my eyes and in my T-zone very lightly, because we still want to maintain that dewy glow. If you mattify the entire face with powder, you're not going to get that glow. To lock everything in, I'm going to be using a glowy setting spray. This is the All Nighter from Urban Decay. Now for the brows and eyes, I'm going to be using the Precious Metals palette. This is by Colourpop. Her brows are very lightly filled, so I'm just going to be using a brown eyeshadow. This is called My Best Asset. And I'm going to use an angled brush to fill in the sparse areas. Using eyeshadows to fill brows can offer a more softer, more natural look as compared to pomades. We can also use eyebrow pencil if you prefer. But in this case, the powdery texture of eyeshadow mimics the natural finish of a brow hair. And for that stunning, glittery, sultry, smoky eye, I'm going to use the same brown eyeshadow in my crease, smoking it out using a fluffy blending brush. This blending brush is more tapered, which makes it very easy to create a new crease above my natural crease line because I have hooded eyes. And once I've done that marking, I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to use a lighter brown shade over this to soften everything up. If you're looking for some quality brush sets from Real Techniques that you never ever have to replace, these are things that I've been using since the past 8 years. I'm going to link them in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And then with a small definer brush, I'm going to use that deeper shade of brown to smoke it out in my lower lash line as well. She had a brown eye pencil in her waterline, so I'm going to be using Dimensional Dark Brown. This is by Makeup Forever. For that beautiful rose petal shimmer on the lid, I'm going to be using the shade Major Element. I'm going to first apply with my finger to get that pigment payoff, and then I'm going to clean up everything with a flat shading brush. She also had a brown eyeliner. I'm going to be using the House Labs liquid liner in brown. And for the wing itself, it looked very lifted. So rather than doing the wing in the very outer corner, I'm going to move it towards the inner lash line, just leaving a small gap in the outer corner, and I'm going to do the wing. That way your eyes look more lifted. Using my highlighter in Flash, this is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. I'm going to highlight the inner corner as well as brow bones. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes before I use the Milk Makeup Kush High Roll Defining and Volumizing Tubing Mascara. She didn't have any lashes, so I'm going to apply a good coat in my top as well as bottom lashes. I love this mascara. It's clean, long-lasting and smudge-proof. It's also a tubing mascara, so it wraps around each lash, providing length and definition and volume without clumping. I'm in love with this eye look. It's subtle enough. At the same time, it has enough glamour. On my lips, I'm going to first define my lips with a lip liner. This is from Persona Cosmetics in the shade 90210. If you're not in the habit of using lip liners, I would highly recommend for you to do it. It's a great way to define and enhance your lips before applying your lipstick. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the PYT Lip Duo in Berry. I love this lipstick, but the showstopper is what I'm going to be applying over this to plump up my lips. And it's this product. It's the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Warmth. It instantly elevates your lip and makes it so much more voluminous. And that completes the makeup. Now for the hair. She had bun in the back, but the hair in front wasn't too tight. And the way you're going to achieve it is by lightly curling it. So I'm going to be using my beach waver again. And instead of automatically running it, I'm just going to point it downwards and create loose curls by wrapping my hair sections around it. You don't have to be perfect in doing this. You can do it very randomly and your hair will still look fabulous. Another option is also to tease your hair, but I'm not a big fan of teasing, to be honest with you, because it's going to really spoil your hair health. So I prefer curling it instead. Once I've curled it in front, I'm going to loosen the curls and tie a simple knot in the back. And you can loosen the hair further if you prefer, which I like to always do. It's time to change and accessorize. She had a stunning choker, so I'm combining two of my necklaces to make one choker with them. And I got my earrings as well as kajra as well. All my jewelry is from Bangalore in India, in case you're wondering. And this look is incomplete without a gold tissue sari, so here it is. I would have preferred a small bindi, but I just wanted to be true to her look, so I did not keep the bindi. But you're welcome to alter the look the way you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it taught you something new. If you did learn something new, let me know what you did by commenting below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Can you guess the celebrity's look from tomorrow? If you know, please comment below. And I love you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new one. Bye guys.